pencil broke.
Yeah, dude, what's wrong?
Dude, my pencil keeps breaking.
Man, I got this. There we go.
Oh, thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Dang it, I only have 1 quarter.
What's up?
I need another quarter.
I got this. Give me the change. That's a nickel. Then God made the fro.
Oh, cool, thanks.
How's that?
Thanks. Good, thanks, bro.
Don't go into the light! Wake up!
Dude, what's going on here, man?
He's not waking up. He needs the waters of life.
Gotcha. I used to be a babysitter. Termites. Always got them.
Stop wasting time! He's dying!
Do I tell you how to do your job? That's what I thought. Yeah. Toy Story 2 prop. Ah, Disney. They never stop. Ah, yes. The nectar of the gods in import style. Buddy!
Ah! What took you so long? We're working in a recession!
Oh man, it's really bright. I wish I had some sunglasses.
So, you need sunglasses?
I just said that.
Looks like you have a replacement.
Not on my watch.
Well, your watch just died.
My watch is solar powered.
Well, your face is solar powered.
That's what my fro is for.
The beard is mightier than the fro.
And that's how the cookie crumbles.